am rice. I can help you grow up quickly. Please help me turn into delicious rice balls. The courageous rice is ready to parachute. Wow! The rice has turned into a rice ball. Lady Corn, can I invite some corn kernels to turn into delicious rice balls together?
Sure. Sweet corn is tasty and nutritious.
Help the corn peel off the leaves. Dear pea pods, would you like to join us to turn into the delicious rice balls together? Great! Let's go! What's inside? Peas! Hi! 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 Rice balls are hungry. What do they want to eat? Rice balls want to be dressed up. Yay! Yippee! It's time to eat. I am so full. The rice balls are so tasty. I will eat more rice, and I will grow up soon.